Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The Best Crack Repair Liquid is probably one of the most essential and often overlooked solutions for anyone who's ever experienced the heart-stopping moment of dropping their phone and seeing that dreaded spiderweb across the screen. Instead of shelling out hundreds for a replacement or living with a compromised display, this innovative product promises to restore clarity and integrity, saving you both money and the frustration of a damaged device, making it a truly indispensable tool in your tech arsenal. Number 5. LUVVITT Liquid Glass Universal Protector. This cutting-edge liquid screen protector offers superior defense for your device. It bonds directly to your screen, providing enhanced resistance against scratches, moisture, and impacts. Made in Germany, it creates an invisible shield that boosts your screen's hardness to an impressive 9H. This advanced formula ensures your device stays protected from daily wear and tear. Composed of microscopic glass particles suspended in a liquid, it fills imperfections on your screen. This adds an extra layer of glass, reinforcing its strength without altering its appearance. Applying it is incredibly simple and bubble-free. Just a quick wipe-on DIY process, making it perfect for all screen types, including curved ones. This protector is compatible with virtually all mobile devices, tablets, smartwatches, and even larger screens. It works seamlessly with curved and foldable displays, and won't interfere with your fingerprint sensor. Experience peace of mind with this completely harmless and invisible shield. It provides robust protection, keeping your screens pristine without compromising functionality. What we like. This German-made protector offers superior quality and durability. If you prioritize top-tier engineering and a universal fit for all your devices, this is an excellent choice. Its 9H hardness ensures robust protection against scratches and impacts. What people say. Number 4. ProofTech Liquid Glass Universal Screen Protector. Introducing ProofTech Liquid Glass, an advanced, invisible screen protector. It bonds directly to your device's glass, offering superior defense. This innovative solution is made of microscopic glass particles in a liquid. It fills screen imperfections, adding an extra layer of robust protection. It creates an extremely thin, yet incredibly strong layer of glass. This boosts your screen strength to a 9H hardness level, resisting scratches and shatters. Applying it is incredibly easy and completely bubble-free. Its universal fit makes it perfect for all screen types, even curved ones. This protector works with all your mobile devices, from phones and tablets to smartwatches and cameras. It's also 100% compatible with fingerprint readers. Give your screens the ultimate defense against daily wear and tear. It provides enhanced resistance against scratches, moisture, and impacts. What we like. This advanced technology protector provides enhanced scratch and impact resistance. If you are looking for a reliable, invisible shield that fully supports fingerprint readers, this is a great option. Its 9H hardness adds a strong protective layer without compromising functionality. What people say. Number 3. ProofTech Liquid Glass Screen Protector, Nano Protection. Introducing a cutting-edge, super durable, and completely transparent liquid screen protector. It bonds directly to your device's glass, offering greatly enhanced impact and shatter resistance. This innovative solution creates an invisible protective coating. It increases your device's screen to an impressive 9H hardness level, safeguarding it from daily wear and tear. Made of silica dioxide, it uses microscopic glass particles suspended in a liquid. This unique formula fills in screen imperfections, adding an additional layer of glass. Applying it is incredibly easy and bubble-free, with a simple wipe-on DIY process. Its universal fit makes it ideal for all smartphones, tablets, and watches. It won't interfere with fingerprint sensors and remains completely harmless and invisible once applied. Plus, it even helps reduce radiation by 80%, offering peace of mind. This protector is compatible with virtually all mobile devices, including phones, tablets, and smartwatches. It works excellently with both curved and foldable screens, ensuring comprehensive coverage. What we like. This product stands out for its incredible value, protecting up to 12 devices with one purchase. If you have multiple gadgets or a family with many screens to protect, this multi-device solution is ideal. It also uniquely reduces radiation by 80%, adding an extra health benefit. What people say. Number 2. ProofTech Liquid Glass Screen Protector. Introducing a cutting-edge, super durable, and completely transparent liquid screen protector. It bonds directly to your device's glass, significantly enhancing its impact and shatter resistance. This innovative solution creates an invisible protective coating. It boosts your device's screen to an impressive 9H hardness level, offering superior defense against daily wear. Formulated with microscopic glass particles, it fills screen imperfections and adds an extra layer of glass. Please note, it's designed for protection, not for repairing existing damage. Enjoy a simple, bubble-free application process. This wipe-on DIY solution is perfect for all screen types, including curved displays, ensuring a perfect fit every time. It works seamlessly with fingerprint sensors and becomes completely invisible once applied. This protector is compatible with all smartphones, tablets, and smartwatches, even foldable screens. One bottle provides enough solution to protect up to 4 devices on average. Safeguard your entire tech collection with this versatile and powerful protector. What we like. This protector offers a practical solution for shielding several devices efficiently. If you need to cover a few smartphones, tablets, or smartwatches, this 4-device pack is perfect. It ensures a bubble-free application and full compatibility with fingerprint sensors. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON for analysis. Number 1. ProofTech Drop-on Liquid Glass Screen Protector. Experience cutting-edge defense for your devices. This protector uses advanced SiO2 technology and a unique component, creating a powerful shield. It delivers superior strength, durability, and amplified resistance against scratches and cracks. Applying it is incredibly simple and mess-free. The innovative dropper bottle ensures a smooth, bubble-free process. Just drop, spread with the included sponge, and your device is protected by an ultra-thin, invisible shield. This versatile solution works with all your mobile devices, from phones and tablets to smartwatches and cameras. It's also 100% compatible with fingerprint readers and sensors, ensuring full functionality. Its compact and efficient design makes it easy to store. A single bottle can protect up to 10 devices over time, offering a versatile and lasting solution for all your gadgets. Every package comes with a comprehensive kit for a perfect application. You'll find a high-grade screen cleaning spray, a soft microfiber cloth, and a special application sponge to ensure optimal bonding and a flawless finish. What we like. This innovative protector features a unique dropper bottle for seamless, bubble-free application. If you value an easy, precise application process and a comprehensive kit for multiple devices, this is your go-to. It provides long-lasting protection for up to 10 gadgets. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.